Hello, sweet mommies. Welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the segment of Kids Park. How are you all? We all fine and hope you all enjoyed the part 1 of children's motivation. So far, we have discussed some of the points which we should not do, like the don'ts from the parenting point of view. Let's see some of the do's, that is, what are the things we can do to motivate our children. The very first and the most important thing is spend a very good and a valid time with your kids. Like if you are in a working, if you are a working mother or a father, you are working from home in the current situation, definitely you will have the other leisure times. Make your work in a scheduled manner and find a very good and smooth time for your kids. If they like to dance, dance with them. If they like to sing, just sing with them. And if they like some of the favorite games, just take part with them and have a very good and a valid time. Only if you start to give a very good time with the kids, then only they will feel very close to us. Always we are working or always we are dumping ourselves with some of the other thing, the kids will get disturbed. So, if we have the 24 hours, definitely we should have some particular time of hours for our kids at any cost. Try to do this, definitely you will find a very good difference in your kids and they will feel happy all the time. Encourage if they try to do something new or if they are trying to do something what they are usually trying. So, once if you are encouraging them in a positive manner, definitely that will make them to try again and again. Even if they failed, my parents or my family members are there to support me. So such small encouragement like pat at the back or clapping or any positive words, all that thing means a lot to our kids. So encourage them in any positive way. So whichever you like to implement for your kids, the thing is you should encourage them for each and every small thing what they are trying to do. Take an example. If your infant is trying to walk, just give them a clap or encourage them. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, like that. If you are putting some words like that, the kids will start to have a good confidence within themselves, and definitely they will start to do it. Then listen to them when they are trying to communicate with you. Sometimes you are concentrating in some work or maybe tensed with something. Even it is a small point or a big one, if your kid is trying to communicate with you, just listen completely what they are trying to do. Definitely they are going to speak something useful only. Maybe from their part or maybe they will like to ask or they will try to learn something. So listen what the kid is trying to say and celebrate each and everything. Even a small celebration of the very small achievement of your kid, that will encourage them in a very big manner. So if they are taking a good rank or if they have done with some small thing or if they win in any participation, just celebrate it. Just this is a kind of motivation, because if you start to celebrate, definitely that kid will think all my success will be celebrated by my family. So that thing will make a very positive environment for a kid. And one more thing is observe and record everything what your kids is doing, and if they are seeing in the next time, they feel very happy. All my things are observed, all my success and all my activities has been observed. So definitely that will also create a very good motivation to the kids. And share your childhood stories. Our lifestyle and life time is very different compared to our today's kids. So that will be very interesting for them, kind of a story or kind of a adventurous thing or whatever it is. What are all the different aspects you have seen in your childhood, or what are all the different positive things you have faced in your childhood stage. Tell them like a story. We have done all this thing. These things are possible that time, so we were so happy and we enjoyed all our childhood days like that. They will like to imagine themselves and they will try to implement if any of the things is possible in their present situations. So that is also a kind of motivation. And observe them very thoroughly Note them very deeply to identify their hidden talents, because all the talents will not be shown or expressed by the kid immediately. Some inbuilt or the by birth talents will be in the kids. So we have to observe all the thing, and we have to bring it out from the kids and make them to concentrate or focus in those areas. And just a small incident that happens in our family. One day when we are sitting, our babies, they kicked the ball like a professional football player. Their grandparents were so admired, and all the people who were sitting around looked shocked. That just happened in the infant stage, like when they started to walk. Really, we all get surprised. Suddenly, even I forgot that my husband is a good football player. So then I mentioned them. He is such a good football player. So maybe their inbuilt skill. So that's why they could do like this. So all this thing will happen through the observations, right? So we have to observe everything what our kids is doing, knowingly or unknowingly. Once after finding each and everything, we can focus on those area for our kids to boost them and to encourage them and to motivate them by doing something good, and whichever they likes, that is the most important thing. And create them a very positive environment. Speak a very positive words in front of them. Don't use bad words, don't use hard words or some kind of harming words. That all this thing will register in the kids' mind easily. Kids are not doing by themselves, they will do what they are observing. So we have to make and create a very good and a positive environment for them by creating and showing everything positively, by speaking a very pleasant word, by speaking a very good smooth words. And also you can teach them like saying thank you, sorry, please, excuse. Let them to know whenever or in what situation they need to say these things. It is all just a simple thing that is making the kids happy as well as the other people happy. If your kids is saying thank you to someone when they are getting it from some people, that is a good habit only. It doesn't matter that like, or it doesn't means that saying thank you, saying sorry and all is just a formal thing that no need to follow. Even we people also can do. I used to follow and we all used to follow. Saying thank you, sorry, please, excuse and all, a very nice and a good word and a very good habit also. And the other important thing is give them a very pleasant sleep and wake up. If they are going to sleep, that may be the day nap or maybe their night sleep, you have to create a pleasant environment for them to take a very good sleep. And after they sleep, wake them in a very pleasant manner. Don't create a habit of alarm, or don't make them to wake up with a rushed manner. Come on, get up, get up, get up. If they start, just imagine, if they start their day with such a rushing wake up, what the kid will feel. That is the thing completely dumped in their mind for the whole day. This is not only for the kids, this is also for the adults too. So while waking them, we have to make them like pleasant or some smooth touch, or maybe some kind of some smooth words. It is all a matter. You may think, why all these simple things to be discussed? It is all the thing to be in a consideration. We need to consider these things also. You just imagine, you are tiredly sleeping. Someone is making a very big noise to wake you up, or someone is shaking you to wake up. What you will feel? You will get frustrated or you will get irritated, right? So just imagine about the kids. So this is very much important for a kid to wake up in a very pleasant manner. And one important thing, most people know about this, you also try this thing. Create a mail ID for your kids, like a mail ID in the kid's name. Try to send mails from your ID or from your family members' ID, what are all the very memorable things they have captured as a picture or the video, or maybe some of the documents you have preserved. Everything you take them as a picture or whatever, you just send it to the kids' mail. So that mail habit will automatically make us to send it continuously whatever we are capturing everything. After sometimes when your kids grown, or after a particular stage of age, if you are giving that mail id with the password to your kid, definitely that is also a kind of positive and motivating thing to your kids, and he or she will feel very cherishing or very happy that how nicely our parents observed and captured everything about us from the childhood. You just imagine, even if we are seeing our childhood album after so many years, what we will feel. Definitely we felt happy, right? So just like that, try some of the things what we have discussed here, and try to make all the other positive things whatever you know from your side to your kids. Definitely that is a kind of motivation, and that will make them to grow in a positive environment. So this thing we know and our parents do to us, and we are trying to do the same thing to our kids. And if anything is lifted out, or if I missed any points, please mention the same in the comment box. And we have so many other things and so many good things to discuss in the future videos under this Kids Park segment. So if you have any requirements or if you have any queries in the comment box, and let us know, and that will help us to satisfy all your needs. And we also have so many good things to discuss. Let's see one by one, and hope you all like this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel Strategy Sangamam, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future notification. See you all soon in our next useful and wonderful video. Live life, love life, and start and enjoy your day with Strategy Sangamam. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.